Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Temitope. If you are new here, please subscribe, and to my oldies, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I make my smoky jollof rice. The first thing I do is to parboil my rice with hot water and set aside for a few minutes before washing. These are the things that I'm going to use to cook the jollof rice. I'll use blended pepper, onions, salt, seasoning cube, garlic powder, curry, thyme, oregano, white pepper, and so on. So let's start. Heat up the pan and add vegetable oil into it. Then you add grated garlic and let it fry. Add onions and also let it fry for a few minutes. Add curry and thyme and fry for a few minutes also. The next thing to add is the tomato paste. You let it fry. You can even cover the pot to let it fry for a few minutes. Then add the blended pepper and also cover the pot. Let it fry very well until when you see the oil coming out of the meat. Add salt and seasoning cube. Add the garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, and oregano. Then you add the meat stock. If you don't have meat stock, you can also use water, but it's best to use meat stock. Then add enough water to cook the rice. Cover the pot and let the water boil. Once the water has boiled, then you can add your rice into the water. Then you cover with aluminium foil so that the steam won't escape. This is what it looks like when the rice is ready. You can now mix together with a wooden spoon or any spoon you have. The rice is ready, and this can be served with any protein of choice, either chicken, turkey, fish, but this was enjoyed with turkey, as you can see in the picture. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you.